DJH Prestige and Sport, so I've just acquired this lovely looking, very rare, very good value for money Mercedes CLA estate. As you can see, it's finished in gleaming black, front park distance control, graphite grey alloy wheels. We've got the rear privacy glass, rear park distance control. It's the sport version, so you've got sport body styling with the twin exhausts. It's got a lovely rear load space. It's electric tailgate. All our cars are videoed and pictured outside for better light, but are kept inside our indoor showroom for all weather indoor viewing. Interior in the rear is absolutely stunning. Electric windows, electric mirrors. It's got satellite navigation, cruise control, multifunction steering wheel. It's an 89,832 miles. Climate control, 6-speed gearbox, Bluetooth prep. Absolutely lovely condition. DJH offer full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please call 07503 751 005. Thank you.